Meaning of fraudulently.
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 Fraudulently. The term fraudulently refers to something that is done in a dishonest or deceptive manner, often with the intention of deceiving others for personal gain. This can include actions such as forging legal documents, misrepresenting information, or making false claims about a product or service. The consequences of fraudulent behavior can be severe, including legal penalties such as fines or imprisonment, damage to one's reputation, and financial loss for victims. It is important to act with honesty and integrity in all aspects of life to avoid the negative repercussions of fraudulent behavior.